I fly 200 kilometers an hour every day without ever leaving the ground. My name is Jadon Churchman. I'm 15 years old and I'm a South African champion. When I tell people that I race drones, they usually think of the filming drones, but it's nothing like that. I discovered drone racing when I saw it on YouTube for the first time. A misconception about drone racing is that they're not hard to fly. To be a great drone racer, you need to be able to build your own drones. You also need to be able to push yourself to get faster. This sport has taught me a lot of technical knowledge about electronics and building things, and also strengths of materials. What is really special about this sport for me is the community around it, one that I haven't seen in any other sport. I hope to take drone racing in South Africa to new heights. I'm proud to be one of the first South Africans representing my country in this new sport.